You know what it's like, yeah? You're manifesting and it's still not showing up in the 3D reality. And so you get all nervous, you get anxious, and your nervous system spikes. Well, in today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to prevent that from happening. Now, usually when I talk about nervous system regulation, I take it from a bottom-up approach. So there are two ways of regulating your nervous system. One is the top-down way, and one is the bottom-up way. The bottom-up way is by making your body feel safe before you even start your thought processes. But the approach I'm going to take today is the top-down approach. Because 9 times out of 10, when you're manifesting and you're in this expectant state and then feeling really disappointed that it hasn't actually materialized yet, it's the top-down approach that actually works best for you. So in these cases, you're not in this constant state of fight or flight. This is where you are seeing an external circumstance and then reacting to that circumstance, right? And in these cases, when you're waiting for the manifestation to show up and it hasn't yet, generally speaking, the emotions that you feel, the nervous system reaction that you experience, is that you contract because you are fearful that it's never going to do it, right? You're still really concerned about how you're going to pay the bill, pay the rent, whatever, because you've been manifesting money and it's still not here. So you experience this contraction, you experience this dread. But what I want you to understand is that that's because you have placed your power outside of you. You have made the 3D reality mean more about your state of being than you, right? When you truly understand that you get to experience the state of being that you choose, regardless of what's happening out there, then you become the master of you, which means that you become the master of out there too. So as you're playing this manifestation game, just pay attention with how you feel in your body when you see that bill. Are you feeling that contraction, which is your nervous system kicking into, we've got to do something soon because nothing is working for us? Notice the thoughts that are popping into your head, yeah? Because they are, again, usually along the lines of, I have no idea what I'm going to do. This all feels too overwhelming. This isn't working. And all thoughts like that, right? But it's those thoughts that are creating the manifestation of the physiological reaction. So the top-down approach to regulating your nervous system in these situations is to tell yourself a different story. To tell yourself over and over and over again that it is already done. And I want you to notice as you do that, how you change in posture. As you give yourself this really big pep talk of, it's all right, Janet, it's all going to be fine. No, you've got this. You know that everything always works out for you. You know that everything always works out for you. So this is just another stepping stone in your journey of it all working out. When you speak to yourself in this positive way instead of the negative way that you often speak to yourself, you will notice that your body will listen to every word that you're saying. When you tell yourself that you've got this, you will sit up a little bit straighter. When you tell yourself that you're safe, you're going to actually start breathing a little bit slower, a little bit deeper. So when you notice this reaction to the external world and it doesn't feel good to you, you know from the perspective of your emotional guidance system that it's actually not really true at all. Yeah? Your emotional guidance system is there to show you what is true for you and what isn't. Any words that you're saying that feel bad are just not the truth. They're just not the truth about who you are or who your highest knows you to be. So you can say to yourself, okay, who does my highest know me to be right now? Does my highest know me to be abundant? Well, absolutely. And if you are truly abundant, then you don't need to worry about whatever numbers are in your bank account, right? So give yourself these pep talks. This is the top-down approach to nervous system regulation. Let yourself know that it is safe for you to be calm. Everything in your life works out for you, and this is no exception. And as you give yourself these pep talks, you really will notice that you start to feel calmer. And like I say, if you're in this constant state of nervous system dysregulation, then you can start with the somatic exercises that are in so many of my videos in my nervous system regulation playlist. Start there, start with the body. But if you're not in a chronic state of dysregulation, then you can start with this top-down approach, where you literally just tell yourself the truth of who you are. Tell yourself the story of the life that you are manifesting and stop talking against it, yeah? Every time you talk against it, you're contracting even more. You're activating your sympathetic nervous system instead of staying in this parasympathetic state. And this parasympathetic state is the rest, digest, recover, and receive. Yeah? So just pay attention to the words that you are thinking and the words that you are saying as you're telling yourself that it isn't working for you. So if you're not seeing the life you want in your 3D and you're getting activated by that, here's a really good sentence that you can say, yeah. Even though I don't see it with my physical eyes, I know that it is already done. Even though I don't see it with my physical eyes, I know that it is already done. And as you say that, just notice how it feels in your body. Are you feeling just a little bit easier about things? Just keep saying it. Even though I don't see it with my physical eyes, I know that it is already done. This is how you write a new playbook for what your nervous system is going to respond to. Because again, every word you say is a spell. Yeah? It's a spell. It's another line in the script that you're creating for yourself. Stop telling yourself about the story of the past, because that is been and done. It's gone. It doesn't exist now unless you bring it into the now. So tell yourself a story of confidence, of peace, of alignment, of knowing that everything is awesome. And you'll be amazed at the difference that it makes when you're no longer allowing your state of being to be dictated by what's out there. And you take control for yourself, out there has no choice but to change. You are in control of your state of being. You can tell your nervous system to just relax, to stand down, that everything is awesome, that everything is fine, and it will listen to you. Because your nervous system is part of your subconscious mind, right? And your subconscious mind runs on programs. It does exactly what you tell it to do. It does exactly what it knows to do to keep you safe. So if you teach it that it is safe for you to just be, then it will feel safe in the being. You can talk to every cell in your body in the same way. You can give it the love, you can give it the kindness and the compassion and the reassurance that it needs to feel whole and complete and healthy. So just notice where you're not doing that and make a conscious effort to pep yourself up all the time. To never talk badly about your health, to never talk badly about your situation or your business or your relationship or whatever. And I'm not saying this in a toxic positivity way. You can appreciate what is without jumping into the quicksand of it. Yeah? You can see it for what it is. It's like, yeah, so this is a situation and it's not a situation that I wish to perpetuate. So I'm going to calm my nervous system. I'm going to tell myself that everything is fine. And from this fine moment, I get to be whoever I choose to be. I get to do whatever I choose to do. I get to feel however I choose to feel. And you can always bring yourself into a state of peace just by breathing deeply and being still. And from that place, you can be anything. You can go anywhere, do anything. So just pay attention to the story that you are teaching your subconscious mind, because it's that story that creates your nervous system activations. Yeah? All right, my lovely. Well, this is the work that I do with my clients who, in my signature program, are typically 6- and 7-figure business owners, entrepreneurs, and leaders in their field who have reached some sort of plateau in their life or business and want more because they know that more is available for them. If you wish to get on a call with me, then the link to join me is in the description. And if you're not there yet, then please don't worry because there are so many other ways of working with me, including monthly workshops and, of course, the YouTube membership. And all the links you need are in the description. Okay, so you're going to find another video just there. So click on that one next. And if I don't see you on a call, if I don't see you in a workshop or in the YouTube membership, I will see you again very, very soon. Take care. Bye.